Have you ever thought of infusing your artistic designs with the beauty of the ancient Egyptian culture? My name is Monica, and today we're going to explore the exciting aesthetics of ancient Egypt. The ancient Egyptian culture is fascinating. From hieroglyphs and geometric patterns to sacred symbols, the design and culture of ancient Egypt is rich and complex. The Egyptians were one of the first cultures to invent writing. They used hieroglyphs to represent sounds, words, and ideas. The hieroglyphs appear everywhere. You can find them on many papyrus, on frescoes, columns, and reliefs. You can also find them on any number of cartouches. Traditionally, the cartouche was written on tombs and coffins to mark who was inside. The ankh is one of the most recognizable symbols from ancient Egypt. It is a cross with a loop at the top, and it symbolizes life and immortality as well as death, resurrection, and life after death. The Eye of Horus, also known as Wadjet, is a powerful symbol of protection, royal power, and good health. It is depicted as a human eye and eyebrow. The Eye of Horus was believed to have healing and protective properties. The scarab beetle is a symbol of rebirth, transformation, and protection. Scarab amulets were often placed with the mummies to protect them in the afterlife and ensure their rebirth in the next life. The Sphinx is a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human. It is a symbol of royal power and protection, representing the pharaoh as the protector of his people and his dominion over both the physical and divine worlds. The Oroboros is an ancient symbol depicting a serpent eating its own tail, forming a circle. It is a symbol of eternity and the eternal nature of the universe. The ancient Egyptian architecture is best known for its monumental temples, tombs, and pyramids. They were built from stone with pylon gateways, massive halls, obelisks, and hieroglyphic decoration. In ancient Egypt, objects created with faience were considered magical, filled with the undying shimmer of the sun and imbued with the power of rebirth. Colors were seen as a kind of a universal language. Certain colors were imbued with specific powers or attributes that were linked to the various gods. So if you want to explore how the ancient Egyptian culture and design can influence your art on Midjourney, Leonardo, and any other image generator, try these specific terms in your prompts.